Hey, today we're building a
Bring me to it.
24-inch a 24-inch wheel chuck with, we reversed the bars. We took out the bar strengthener in the middle to make it look like mini ape hangers. We're gonna bend them back a little bit, and then we're gonna have a banana seat on there, and then also a high sissy bar.
And how are you going to build the seat?
Sheet metal.
Show her your seat.
Thank you.
Oh, you got your pattern ever already? Okay, yeah.
And it's gonna go.
You know those Wizard tanks?
Yeah.
I have one.
Oh, do you?
I told him, I said, let's take the Wizard tank and we can chop it and make a little metal thing. And then
Right.
put a hinge on the front of it and a little clip on
And
the
these
back.
are more parts
So
for
it'll
it.
sit there, but you can open it up and put your stuff in.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh,
Oh,
very cool.
exhaust ends, mirror. And,
So chopped out,
That's pretty cool.
what is that, a Renegade bike? Grenade.
Yeah, I
Maybe
think
Grenade
keep the
can
name right on
sponsor
it
us.
too. How appropriate.
Is this on Facebook?
No, this will be YouTube.
Oh, we're looking for small weed whacker motor.
A small.
Who knows of one that would like to donate? Right there. Tank there.
You need a small weed whacker motor?
yeah, we're, like the BSA shifter has a weed whacker piston on it.
You guys are getting
Put that on
way
there.
crazy on this. I like it. Get way crazy. So do this. Come off, maybe like this.
Yep.
Turn that clockwise on the mirror. Yeah. And that works maybe.
I kind of like it out by the side, like there, over there. I like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Maybe, how about off like,
Yeah, maybe you can straighten it out off the frame and then.
Wait, you
Yeah,
could
that
even
looks-
shorten this.
That looks pretty
You
good.
could put it like this too, maybe. Straight, twist it to the left.
Right?
Oh, that's okay too. And then do it like this.
Yeah.
And just put it on the top of the bars right there. Like that. Whatever you like.
I think my
What's the
favorite
key?
option is coming out there. You might be able to just thread it. The handlebar itself.
Yep.
Come out.
You don't
You're pulling more parts out up there.
give one of these stickers.
In my sticker.
Yeah. Because when you do your videos, you should hold the sticker up and put it
Well,
in
I don't know.
Show
Well,
it.
they're not for sale yet. We haven't put
You
them
don't
on the
have to sell
website.
them. You just walk up to the camera and you hold it there and you tell people, subscribe, give me a like or whatever.
Maybe sell them.
Subscribe to what? What are they subscribing to?
Action Jackson 603.
He's the man.
That's sweet.